Hi, I'm Lieutenant Commander Tony Lupkin. I'm a MH-60T helicopter pilot for the U.S. Coast Guard, stationed at Air Station Clearwater near St. Pete. We provide search and rescue coverage from the Panhandle down to the Florida Keys into the Bahamas to 300 miles offshore. We cover any incident involving persons in the water, disabled vessels, vessels taking on water. Cruise ship medevacs or any kind of medevac, injured or sick personnel. We also do inland waterways, anything that's navigable and contiguous to the ocean, including Tampa Bay. We work with state and local partners, trying to help increase their search capabilities and recovery capabilities. The biggest thing I can tell you is if you're going to go on the water, have a plan, have a radio, and have a life vest. That way I don't have to come get you, but if we do, we'll make sure we get you home safe.